today's video, we have an exciting topic for all the beginners out there: Python programming. Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly language that has gained immense popularity in the coding community. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of Python, let's get started. Before we jump into coding, let's quickly touch upon some essential concepts. Python is an interpreted, high-level programming language known for its readability and simplicity. It is widely used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. By learning Python, you open doors to a multitude of opportunities in the tech industry. Now, let's talk about the basic building blocks of Python. Everything in Python is an object, which means it has properties and methods. You can perform various operations on these objects by using functions and operators. Variables are used to store data values, and Python supports different data types such as integers, strings, lists, and dictionaries. One of the strengths of Python is its extensive library ecosystem. Libraries are pre-written code that provides additional functionalities. Some popular libraries include NumPy for numerical computing, Pandas for data manipulation, and Matplotlib for data visualization. By utilizing these libraries, you can enhance your Python programs and make them more powerful. Now, let's move on to control flow statements. These are used to dictate the order in which your code executes. Conditional statements, such as if-else and switch case, allow you to make decisions based on certain conditions. Loops, like for and while, help you repeat a block of code multiple times. These control flow statements are fundamental in Python programming. Lastly, I want to emphasize the importance of practice and hands-on coding. The more you code, the better you become. There are numerous online platforms and coding challenges available where you can test your skills and solve real-world problems. Remember, practice makes perfect. That's all for today's introduction to Python programming. We've covered the basics, including objects, data types, libraries, control flow statements, and the significance of practice. In our upcoming videos, we'll delve deeper into each of these topics and explore advanced Python concepts.